Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by proving ownership and getting consent. Have the original receipt showing the serial number and purchase date. This matters to Apple. Once done, contact the original owner and ask them to remove the watch from their Apple ID via iCloud. COM or unpair it from their iPhone. Make sure you have the device serial and model ready. Apple support will ask. If you can't reach the owner, prepare an authorization letter and the proof of purchase before proceeding to formal support channels. Next, engage Apple support or visit an Apple store with all documentation. Explain that the watch is locked and present the original receipt plus a government ID that matches the purchaser's name. This is how Apple verifies lawful ownership. Once verified, Apple can remove activation lock or guide you to the next step. Make sure to ask for case number and what to expect timeline-wise. If Apple requests additional documentation, provide scans promptly to avoid delays and to complete the verification process smoothly. Finally, follow Apple's directions to complete the reset and activation. If Apple removes the lock remotely, they'll confirm and you can pair the watch to your iPhone. If in store, staff will unpair and restore it. Make sure to sign in with the correct Apple ID during setup. If things go wrong, don't attempt bypass tools. Instead, use the case number to escalate with Apple or obtain clearer proof of purchase from the retailer so verification can proceed, and the device can be lawfully unlocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.